What's up, everybody? Dan Lauer here with the MarineMax Nisswa sales team, here to highlight this beautiful 2017 MasterCraft X23. This has a lot of great upgrades like the BTS windshield and the power folding tower. Coming to the back, you'll notice these awesome rear transom chase lounge seats. Gen 2 surf system with underwater lights. And as we climb aboard here, you'll see we have this great sea deck walkthrough entering the boat. Beach tan, cool feel interior, which is really nice, keeps your boat nice and cool in the sun. Lots of easy to use controls, push start, a big screen for loading your surf profiles, GPS, you name it. This does have heated seats, as well as the heat hoses. Convenient located battery switch for the captain when turning on the boat. You got the billet aluminum door, the wind block. And as we come to the front, you'll notice this does have these fold down armrests for maximum comfort. Thanks for checking this boat out. Take a look on our website or give us a call.